3 fantastic alternatives to bell peppers. If you are looking for a bell pepper substitute that will provide more spiciness than green bell peppers, then here's an option you shouldn't overlook. Jalapenos are generally more available than their sweeter counterparts, which makes them convenient to acquire as well. Although jalapenos are smaller in size than bell peppers, they tend to contain thick walls, which serve the purpose of stuffing equally well. As a result, you will be able to use a jalapeno interchangeably in your recipe. On the other hand, they also tend to have the grassy outer color that bell peppers offer, which will also help you maintain the aesthetics of the dishes. In fact, other than the spice level and the size, there aren't many noticeable differences between them and capsicums. Sichuan peppers. Do you suffer from bell pepper indigestion that causes you to have a mild stomach ache or a feeling of nausea? Well, in that case, you need reliable options that will be good for your stomach. And we can bet that such an alternative would be Sichuan peppers. This is said to be a combination of both chili pepper and black pepper, but in reality, it's actually none of these. In fact, it can be used as a remedy for abdominal pain and provides a tingling sensation followed by a citrus-like flavor, which people seem to love. Although it won't be the fittest replacement for bell pepper, it will make your side dish extremely flavorful. Pimiento. Are you looking for a bell pepper substitute that will provide great crunch and the exact same heat level? In that case, you should opt for pimentos, because these heart-shaped peppers improve the appearance of a side dish significantly. They are quite sweet and not at all spicy, so in terms of flavor, you might have to compromise a little. However, they are very aromatic, and will surely improve your recipe without you having to put too much effort. However, pimentos are mostly available in jars, and it's quite tough to acquire fresh ones. But the ones in the jars do not provide crunchiness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.